Good morning, YouTubers. So wanted to do this video regarding on some transfers that I just received from Supercolor. Here we go. I just received this over this weekend. I ordered some transfers. Let's see. Let's open them up. Whoa. Gotta be careful how you open it. Make sure you don't damage the transfer that you're getting that you ordered. Okay. So here are the transfers.
Due to recent inflation, more residents today are struggling to find financial independence and a better quality of life.
So I ordered this logo. This for the left chest. This is for in case you want it in the sleeve. This is just for an additional order. This is for the front, which I thought it was gonna be big, but it's actually perfect size. I like it. Okay. So now I have to cut them up and start doing the t-shirts. Alright, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. And like and subscribe. We'll do another one for the for printing. Thank you very much and have a great one.